Hi, my name is Debbie Chan and I am the Women's Ministries Director of Southeast Asia Union Mission. I believe that women are called by God to be co-laborers to reach out to others. In women's ministries, we address the spiritual, emotional, physical, and social needs of women in the church. We encourage women to improve their potential for participation in the mission of the church. We also provide a support system for hurting women, whether they are suffering from divorce, abuse, or simply loneliness. Women's Ministry is a forum to help address topics and issues as they affect women. We encourage young women through a college scholarship program. We also encourage women to become involved in all areas of ministry in their church, their community, and their home. We mentor young women so that they may find joy in the Lord. We also recognize that women have many gifts of the Spirit and attempt to help women discover and use these gifts to the glory of God. There are three main areas that we focus on. First, nurture. Women's ministries address the spiritual, emotional, physical, and social needs of women in the church. It mentors young women, encourages mothers, and supports older women and those that are hurting. Secondly, empowerment. It recognizes that women have many gifts of the Spirit and it attempts to help women discover and use these. Thirdly, outreach. It provides resources for women to reach out to our sisters in the community who are longing for a touch from Jesus. Women's ministry is a place where we help each other grow to a more confident, spiritual woman that God designed us to be. Women have something uniquely special to share with one another. If we want to be part of this, if you want to be part of this, I invite you to join the local church in the Women's Ministries activities and contact your local church Women's Ministries leader.